Hindi yan makikialam yung ibang country at sasabihin na, oh, nakakaawa ang Pilipinas. Bagkos, ang nangyari, if you really look the comments ng mga ibang mga nationalities coming from different countries na naka-witness at nakita nila sa mga social media yung mga nangyari na mga footages, is tayo pa ang sinisisi at pinagtatawanan. And do you really think it's good for the Philippines? Of course not. I was really irritated and really embarrassed because supposedly you don't do this. You don't expose this kasi ang moral ng mga AFP men in uniform natin, may it be the PNP, may it be the SAF, may it be the Navy, you don't put them in the spotlight na mapapahiya sila. So pero anong ginawa ng media natin, ng mainstream media? Pinagkalat-kalat pa at talaga pang ini-expose pa yung finger na nawala. Kaya nga sabi nila, you lost a finger. One of my colleagues, because I'm attending an international conference on regional